Welcome to GridMarkets Cinema 4D Setup and Submission. Ensure you have installed the Cinema 4D plugin from Envoy. Please see the Envoy tutorial in gridmarkets.com/Envoy for instructions. Make sure to restart Cinema 4D after installing the GridMarkets plugin. Make sure all your Cinema 4D scene render and output settings are correct. Select the GridMarkets tab in the menu bar to open the GridMarkets plugin. The Submit to GM window opens with all your render settings ready to check before you submit your render to GridMarkets. This is where you can override some of your settings in your Cinema 4D scene. Note: all other render settings will be taken from your scene. You will need to update the output path settings to a folder your image sequence will render to, and the image sequence file name with no file type extension. Then hit the Submit button. The GridMarkets Preflight window will open to show the Cinema 4D scene file and all supporting files that will be uploaded. Hit the Upload and Submit button. You will get a notification that the project upload has started. Press OK. Go to Envoy to see the upload and render submission status. Thanks for watching. Go to gridmarkets.com to learn more about how we can service all your rendering needs.